Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I am reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, August the 23rd, 2012, and here is today's midday market update. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. We have the Dow Jones down 90 and a half, We have the comp down 16 and a half. We have the S&P down 8, the RUT down 6, the Russell 2000 down 6. And across the board, commodities are looking good. Oil is a little bit flat, but copper, JJC is up 23 cents. Silver is having a nice day today, up 84 cents. Gold is having a great day today, up $1.70. So the commodity sector is looking pretty decent. Oil is a little bit of the laggard, though, in that sector, obviously. So let's go and take a look at the ES here. I want to start by first taking a look to see how the ES is trading. We did open up at 1408 on the ES, sold right into that 1400 level that we highlighted in last night's video. So we did have some bidders come and bid up the ES a point and a half right in front of the key 1400 level. Rallied up to 1406, and right now that level is sticking as resistance. You do see that we could be forming a range right here on the 15-minute chart between 1401 and a half and 1406 and a half. So basically a 5-point range. Since the sell-off we got on the open. Let's see how that develops. You can take a look at the right chart right here, the 5-minute chart. You can see we had this nice little downward trend line break play. Let me zoom in for you guys here. Nice little downward channel, break play, rallied up, back test held, put that little higher low in, and then we rallied right back up, but then again we just faded right back down. If this was to go, this should have broke past the 1407 area high and held and traded right back above the open. But so that shows you that we do have some sellers in the market trying to sell some of the rallies, and so far that's working out. And with that action today, they have been creating a range-bound day here. So 1401 half, the bottom of the range, top of the range, 1406 and a half, call it 1407. And if we hold below 1404.25, which was yesterday's lows, and then we consolidate in a range between 1404.25 and the current lows around 1401 half, we could be looking for a move, maybe to go check that 1400 level. So keep those levels on watch. If you guys are traders that watch the SPY, taking a look at the SPY, you can see here we opened at 141.47. We sold all the way up to a low of 140.80. The level to watch on that one obviously is 140, just the same thing as 1400 on the ES. If we do get some more selling pressure, you want to be watching 140.60 on the SPY, and then 140.40, and then 140 in general. So we'll see if this 140.80 sticks on the SPY. All right, what you can do, you can draw this nice little downward trend line in right here, and use that as a momentum trend line to get a push back up towards the top of the range, and maybe back up towards the opening price. And then you also could draw, taking a look at the 5-minute chart on the right-hand side, so you guys can see a little bit better here. You also can draw your nice little downward trend line in right there. Even create a channel if you want to down there and say, okay, if the market does not break out and we take out those lows, you can expect price action to go down here towards the bottom of the channel, which would take us somewhere maybe down around towards that 140.60, 140.40 area. So keep that on watch. Some stocks that are in play this morning that we've been watching. Let me go ahead and bring this screen up. Some stocks that are in play this morning that we are watching here. You can take a look at HPQ. This stock is just, we had a nice little quick scout fast money trade for the short side on the open here, but this stock has just been trading sideways. I think, it has not been able to break above the open price around 1805, but if it does, break below 1785, look for this one to go back down towards the lows around 1768. We have 1761 is S2, 1740 is S3, which is the current year lows. Another stock that's in play this morning here is BIG. All right, this one has a nice setup, 32.75. We're using as R1. The stock rallied to a high of 32.40, got rejected. Gave you a nice little tight pattern here on the 2-minute chart to get short right here. Once it broke below 31.50, this was a trade that we were watching from pre-market. I didn't trade this one, but definitely a trade that if you were watching one of the stocks that were in play this morning, this was one that you wanted to be short. All right, BBY, Best Buy had some news out regarding the sale or something like that. Either way, I mean, the company's doing garbage. It's doing nothing. One of my co-moderators in the chat room was saying that, Best Buy is the display room for Amazon, which makes sense. I mean, you go to Best Buy, you check out the product, you see what you want, and then you go home and then you buy it on Amazon. So, their business, they are in a tight business, and The company could go out of business. Company could pull a city, could pull a Circuit City, and go out of business. Or either way, get bought out and do something, try to get something going on with them. But this stock gave you a decent little trade as well. I mean, you take a look at the 2-minute chart, gave you a nice little chance to short the open. Like I posted on Twitter, whenever you have a gap down, you look to see what stocks to buy that are holding up, showing relative strength. HPQ is trying to break down here. Anyway, you look to buy strong stocks on the gap downs the same way you look to short weak stocks that are gapping up just because the market's gapping up in general. Same way you look to short those weak stocks on gap ups. So anyway, hope you guys are having a great trading day today. Not really much that I'm seeing out there. Amazon, another stock that just show you a prime example of looking to buy strong stocks on the gap downs, or like on the little morning for the morning half of the session after they're done going down. This stock held right off that 240 level, nice little downward channel, and gave you a nice little move back up towards the previous day's close for a gap fill. 240 is the level to watch on Amazon. Keep 240 on watch. The 240 level on watch. If we break below 240, we could go down towards 238.80, which is yesterday's lows, or even 239.50, which is yesterday's opening price. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great morning so far. If you want to come check us out, make sure you go to wallstreettrading.com. Sign up for the 14-day free trial on the form on the right-hand side. That'll give you access to the chat room. Or even better yet, if you want to just log into the chat room and see what we're doing here, which is pretty slow today, you can check out mywallstreettv.com, password SMART. Have a great day, guys. I'll catch you guys after the close there. Thank you.